So this is a loading technique to the back part of the shoulder. So you're covering right on top of the shoulder to roughly back in through here. What you're going to need is a ball. You're going to place a ball against the wall. So right now I'm going to find an area that's sensitive. Once I find an area that's sensitive, then I'm going to keep it there. There's two different methods you can use. The first method is more of the seek and destroy. So right now I'm trying to find an area that's sensitive. Once I find an area that's sensitive, I'm going to tack it down by applying more pressure into it with my body, and then I'm going to breathe into it to destroy that area. I'm going to take a breath in and exhale and just allow my body to melt over that ball. Once it desensitizes and I can tolerate a little bit more, then I can find another spot and do the exact same thing. Take a deep breath in, exhale. When I exhale, apply a little bit more weight until it desensitizes. All the while, this arm of the side that I'm working on totally stays relaxed. The second method you can use is more of the pin and stretch. So you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to find an area that's sensitive. Once you find a sensitive area, you're going to pin it down and hold it there. The arm is now, with it straight, is now going to move out in front slightly. As soon as this hand can grab it, you're going to use it and bring it up a little bit more until you feel more load in the back part of the shoulder. Once you can tolerate that, then you can find another spot. Pin it down, apply a little bit more pressure, then move my arm forward. As soon as this hand can grab it, it's going to assist it, hold it up. And then what I can actually do while it's up is I can mess around with the range of motion. I can bring it across my body a little bit, bring it out a little bit. I can bring it towards midline, so it's roughly about 90 degrees with my body. Twist my arm up, so my palm faces up, or my bicep faces up, and twist my arm down, so my thumb points down, my bicep turns inward. And just go back and forth.